Good evening and welcome to day 5 session on 3D modeling using Google Sketchup. Today participants are asked to fill feedback form only. It is considered as your attendance of this session also. Feedback link will be closed at 6 p.m. Okay participants, now I hand over the last section to our presenter, Mr. Udaya Sankar sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to all. Let's 5 days, 4 days. Let's see about how to make a one elevation and others, etc. in exterior, right? Today, let's see about how to give the paintings in V-Ray, right? How to create the some layouts also there. Today, let's see about how to take the printout in image files and video files, right? Today itself. Sir, my screen is visible, sir?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir. One second. So now itself, sir?
No, sir.
So no, not visible.
What's the issue? I don't know, sir. Just you. It's scrolling, but its screen is not coming, sir.
So now itself the screen is coming, sir.
No, sir. Actually, no, sir.
Sir, please pin my screen, sir.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Now it's
Now it's
visible,
there,
sir.
sir.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sir.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thanks.
Thanks. Let's yesterday let's see about how to create one elevation, interior elevation, right? Okay. Today itself I give some colors for this elevation, right? I give some colors and directly go to paintings, right? Go to wood. I simply click this wood, right? Directly click this different colors of wood. I directly click this woods. Directly apply on this materials, right? Let's see. And go to different woods or any portions. I give different colors, right? Now it's see automatically it will be created, right? Different woods it will be created different colors, right? Now it's see automatically it will be created, right? Next I'm going to scene 2, right? So, yeah, this side window is there, right? I simply go to glass panels, right? Glass. That I go to glass panels, till the glass, right? I simply click this glasses, right? Then these are wooden panels. Simply I'm going to wood. I select the wood, right? Simply give the wooden panels. First of all, you create the window means you go to backside wall, right? Hide the backside wall, right? Hide the backside walls. Sorry. Hide the backside walls, right? Right. This is our view. This is our backside wall, right? Simply go to select this command and hide it. Now it's see automatically it's come visible, right? Interior exterior. Simply go to it any window. You simply go to hide it, right? Now it's see it's come from clear visible, right? Now it's create the wooden color side and this surface. Give this some tiles, right? Tile surface. Simply go to bricks claddings, right? Going to some this type of tiles, right? Simply given and going to edit, right? Edit 1.22 meters and simply go to I give 5 meter, right? Now it's see or 10 meter, right? Sorry, 1.105 meters, sorry, 10 meter, right? Now it's see automatically it will be created, right? Now automatically it will be created. So some portion is there. I simply go for select. Another thing like this type of tiles is there, right? Something colors, like simply for colors. Then go to select the color, right? Select the color on this portion and some different colors, right? Simply select this colors, gives different colors. Now it's automatically given different colors, right? Sorry. Yeah. Now it's automatically give different colors, right? This color, this color. This is a wooden frame, right? Simply go for wood, right? Simply click the anyone, you give the wooden frame. Now it's automatically it will be created. This portion is to give some woods, right? Same. This is a dark some this cupboards. Sorry. Then go to give this woods, right? Now it's automatically it's created some portion, right? Simply go to our hall, then there's some statues, then they give the normal color for this wood and this, and then go to ceiling colors, right? First of all, I give that some views, right? Some wooden works. This is I'm going to simply go to color, right? Some colors. I give some colors. Right? This is one color. This is one color for this. I simply give this one color, right? Then give this size also. I created some windows, right? Then go to give this false ceiling colors, right? False ceiling colors, kitchens and window. Simply go to that view is fifth view, right? Yeah, correct. Fifth view. Then go to I take some woodworks. Going to wood, select this wood, right? Simply select this wood, give the woods, right? Yeah. Now it's automatically it should be appear, right? Simply give this same like that. The wood will be appear here, right? Now it's then this all of us. I give some colors. The center portion is some different colors, right? Go to color named. I select some colors. I differently appeared, right? Now it's automatically it will be given, right? Different colors, right? Then this is the right. Go to some colors. Go to some dark colors. Now it's automatically it will be created. This is some colors, right? The center portion is some color, wooden color, right? Simply go to wood. Simply go select, right? Now it's automatically it will create a, right? Now it's I simply created the ceilings, right? Simply I created the ceilings and other colors, right? Then next one is a kitchen wall, kitchen ceiling, right? So dining ceiling. Simply go for dark wood, right? I take this woods, this like, right? I would say this type of, sorry. Now it's then go to light colors, give it, and this is one light color, right? Simply go some woods. Click this. Now it's automatically create the different colors in wood, right? Now it's created the kitchen, and now it's created the dining, right? Another one is a hall, right? Sorry, bedroom. This is a bedroom, right? I give some different colors, right? Simply go to wood. I take this full of one wood, right? Sorry, light wood, light colors, right? See the simply I give some light colors. Then I go to dark color, right? Dark color. Select this color for this, right? Now it's automatically it will be created same like that, right? Yeah, fine. Now it's created a bedroom also, right? This is some design is there, right? You give same wood color, right? Wood color. Then wooden frame is there, right? Simply give the wooden frames, wooden color, right? Simply give the wooden colors, and going to simply go to glass, right? Simply go to glass. Then go to transparent glass, right? Sorry, transparent glass. Then go to back side, right? Back side, select this view, then hide it, right? Now it's automatically it will be created, right? So automatically it will be created the all paths, right? Automatically it created the all paths, right? Okay, fine. Now it's created some colors, right? Now it's created some wooden works in ceilings also, then other works in bedrooms, and it will be given, right? Some kitchen and other works, right? and then go to edit, unhide all, right? Unhide all. Yeah. I click this, edit this portion, and also bedroom in this way, right? Sorry, no bedroom, this way. Yeah. Now it's see created, right? And then go to this bedroom, right? Kitchen, right? This is one portion. I click this portion and I go to view, animation, add scene, right? This is a ninth scene. And then go to same like that. It's the front view, right? Front view. Then view, animation, add scene. Scene 10, right? And then go to it's need a large tool, right? This type of large tool is this, right? Sorry. It's a large tool. This type is there, right? Then go to this is a view, animation, add scene, right? Scene 11. You go to scene 9, scene 10, scene 11, right? Now it's automatically it will be created, right? Scene 9, scene 11. Next going to kitchen, right? Next of all, going to kitchen ceilings, right? Sorry. Yeah. Now it's see automatically kitchen ceiling. I'm going to simply view to animation, add scene. So it's scene 12, right? I need do not need means I directly delete this scenes. Scene 11, I click this, delete it, right? Yes. Scene 6, delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Scene 2, I will delete it, right? I will delete it. Yes. Another one is I created scene 9, right? There's a hall portion. Scene 10, this portion, scene 11, right? Scene 2 while in our kitchen, right? Next one is our bedroom, right? Next one is our bedroom. Bedroom is in there where I simply go to drag this, right? Some TVs are there in bedroom, right? Simply go to paint. I give some paints, right? I give go to wood. Simply give this wood, this type of wood. Simply go this cupboard works, right? Simply create the cupboards, right? Now it's see automatically it will be created. Now it's created, right? Automatically it will be created. Now this is a bedroom, right? Simply go to view, animation, add scene. Then this is our room, right? Zoom in. Yeah, this is one scene. Simply go to view, animation, add scene, right? Animation, add scene. This is our scene 12, scene 13, scene 14, right? Now it's automatically it will be created like a video, right? Scene 1, scene 9, right? Yeah, scene 8, oh, no, scene 9. Scene 9, scene 10, scene 11, scene 12, scene 13, scene 14, right? Now it's created like a video, right? Scene 1, scene 2, scene, all come from one video, right? I will tell about in after class how to create the one video, right? Now itself, I created different parts. It is 9, this portion and 10, right? 10, 11, right? 11 is this portion. Okay, fine. Now itself, this path is over, right? Now itself, I completed small colors in the SketchUp model, right? Let's say go to V-Ray. Now itself, I'm going to V-Ray, right? How to download the V-Ray means you directly go to Charles Group, right? Directly type in your Google SketchUp or V-Ray. 30 days, right? Same procedure as a SketchUp procedure also in V-Ray also. Directly type the V-Ray for SketchUp. Google directly click it, log in, and 30 days trial pack is there. You'll use it, right? Okay, same procedure as a SketchUp, right? Now it's see. Now it's automatically it will come from one scene, right? Okay, then how to I download it directly. Then how to see the V-Ray means directly go to extension tool, right? It's extension. Click the V-Ray. right? Click the V-Ray. V-Ray is so many is there. I am using only assist editor, V-Ray rendering, V-Ray lights, right? This only three things are main in basics of V-Ray, right? There's so many things in V-Ray, but the basic things in V-Ray is this three one, right? This three one is the basic things for V-Ray, right? Next one I tell. Next one, I forget that one. Okay, how to create the ceiling lights, right? How to create the circular ceiling lights? Simply take a one circular, right? Simply take a one circular, draw one circular, right? Then go to offset or anyone, right? Offset or anyone, draw another one circular, right? Draw another one circular. This is one circular, draw another one circular, right? Is smaller, okay, fine. Draw another one circular, then go to push pull command, right? Sorry. Yeah. So okay, I draw this in this bedroom type, right? How to draw this? Simply go to take a one rectangle, right? Simply draw one circle and go another circle, right? And then go push pull command, right? Push pull command. Then pull it, right? Pull it this portion. Now it's see automatically it's created as a spotlight, right? Automatically. How to copy and paste this spotlight? You select this whole portion of the spotlight, right? Select this whole portion. Select this. Sorry. Oh, fine. I will draw this portion, right? I simply circular. I draw another one circular, right? Then go to push pull command. Pull it, right? Then go to push pull command. I will pull it. Then go to put it certain portions, right? Put it certain portions. Then go to select this. Select this light only, right? Simply select light only. Then go to right click on the mouse. Go to make group, right? Click this make group. Then go to edit, copy, edit, paste. You paste it anywhere, right? Simply paste it anywhere of your lights, right? Now it's see automatically paste it. Then go to edit, then paste it, right? Then go to edit, paste, right? See like a spotlight, same any rooms. Simply go to edit, paste, right? Edit, paste. Simply go to edit, paste, right? Now it's see this step is automatically the spotlight will be created, right? Simply go to edit, paste, like that same. Simply go to edit, paste, edit, paste, like that, right? I created a spotlight light. Same this also. Simply go to edit, paste it, right? Now it's see. Simply go to edit, paste. Simply go to edit, paste, right? You created a one spotlight. This step go to circular. You create a select this all to simply created the groups, right? Automatically it comes from under the spotlight. Now it's see is there, right? Spotlights under this one, right? Automatically it will be see the spotlights, and this also the spotlight is there, right? Same like that. See the spotlights. Now it's see this time it will be created the spotlights in our building. Simply created a one circular, take the offset of this circular, simply select the go to push pull command, pull it, and select the whole circular, then copy and paste. It simply created the this type of spotlights, right? Fine. Okay. Now I'm going to V-Ray, right? Now I'm going to V-Ray. How to go the V-Ray means going to extension, right? Extension V-Ray as a editor, right? This is the main path of V-Ray, right? The two types are editable is there. One is the SketchUp colors also edit in this V-Ray, and V-Ray colors also there. Okay, first of all you practice means directly go to V-Ray color and apply it, right? Okay, I tell about two things. I tell about two steps also. First of all, how to edit the SketchUp color in V-Ray, right? You click this, directly this is the V-Ray assist editor. Click this icon, right? Simply click this and just simply click this, right? It will be expandable, right? This two types of expandable, this two types of expandable, right? First one is a material, right? These are all of us material. Next one is a light setting. Next one is a geometry. Next one is a render element, and the next one is a textures. This is setting for rendering, right? This is a render with V-Ray. This is the main things. This one is a material, lighting, settings, and render. This is the four things are main to render the image, right? Okay. How to edit the SketchUp materials in V-Ray, right? How to edit the SketchUp materials in V-Ray means simply go to select command, right? Take a sample pane. I select this any image, right? This image, pick this. Automatically it will forms, right? Automatically it will forms in this color. Directly go to, so many options are there. I simply told do not use this commands. You will be thorough in SketchUp or V-Ray, go this commands, right? First of all, how to use this I tell about, right? Simply go to V-Ray, reflection and refraction. This is the main one, right? To reduce or increase your sizes, right? To reduce or diffuse, you see this, the diffuse means you're going to shine your buildings. This type of will be editable, right? All the elements are editable in V-Ray also, right? SketchUp also this type of V-Ray. First of all, you practice mean do not use this side, right? Do not use this portion. Okay, then sorry, do not use this portion, right? Ah, then go to V-Ray. So many of this is search library. This another one material is there, right? This is a V-Ray material. This is a full clarity of materials, right? This is a V-Ray materials. Click this V-Ray material. Click this downwards, right? You see this bricks, carpets, ceramic material. You see this clarity of this materials, right? The SketchUp is a less clarity. The V-Ray is a high clarity. Go to this only, right? Simply go to bricks, carpets, concrete, MSU, fabric, foams, glasses, grounds. Something is there, right? I simply go one by one, right? First of all, I simply go glasses, right? I simply go paint, right? Go to select tool, right? Sample paint is there. I click this space glass. This is a SketchUp glass. How to give the V-Ray glass means simply go to glass, right? Simply go to glass. Glass is there, right? You see so many of the glasses color is there, right? This is from clarity. You see this clarity of this V-Ray glass side. This is V-Ray glasses. This is so many clarity is there in V-Ray. Do not edit the V-Ray material. Do not edit. Please put and apply on your material. Do not edit the V-Ray. V-Ray are first of all is a best clarity, right? You need after you edit it. First of all, directly click this, apply on your material, right? I click this glass material, right? Then I go to, so many glasses are there. I simply go to select one glass, right? Any glasses. I simply go to glass coated green. I go to glass crystal, right? I click this glass crystal. How to change this glass to this type, right? Simply click this mouse. Simply click add to scene, right? Simply click the add to scene. Now see, automatically its glass will be changed, right? Do not edit, right? Do not edit. Simply I click this mouse, add to scene. Automatically it will be changed, right? Simply select this glass, then go to apply on your glasses. Now it's see, automatically it's clarity, right? SketchUp material and the V-Ray material, you see this clarity. SketchUp material, V-Ray material clarity, right? This is a material clarity. This is so shining is there, right? SketchUp and V-Ray clarity. This is the main clarity for our materials, right? Okay, first of all, glasses, right? Is the glass is there, and also bedroom glass is there, right? Bedroom is a 12th, sorry, 14th, right? Yeah, this bedroom glass. I directly apply this. See this clarity, right? The shining of this clarity, right? This is a V-Ray material. Fine. Next of all, this is a glass. So many glasses. You simply click this glass. Add to surface, pick this and apply on your material directly, right? Next of all, wood material is there, right? I simply go to wood. You see this clarity of this wood, right? So many clarity of this wood. Simply go to, first of all, I select this material, right? I simply go to paint and simply go to select the sample by, select this portion, right? Select this portion, automatically it will be changed, right? I simply go to select this dark wood, right? That portion, click this add to scene, right? Automatically it will be see this shining, right? Automatically it will be changed, right? Simply click this apply. Now it's see automatically it will be changed. I need another this type of colors, simply click this add to scene, right? Add to scene, simply click this apply on your materials, right? Now it's see automatically it will be changed, right? V-ray woods, right? Automatically it will be changed the V-ray woods. Then go to need is other woods, means simply select this type of wood, plywood. Simply select add to surface, right? Simply click this, go to this type of any type of wood you will go, right? Simply see this type of, right? And this type of woods and this type of woods, right? Now it's see automatically change the wood type, right? Then this you change any wood type, simply click this, right? Flooring, add to scene, right? Simply click this floor, then apply. Now it's see automatically it will be changed, but some design is there. How to comes this design? Simply go to paint, right? Go to edit option. The 0.25 meter is there. I give 10, enter. Now it's see automatically size will be changed, right? I'm going to 20. Now it's see automatically it will comes, right? You change it paint also. Give the floor tiles or any tiles, right? The style is there. Go to add scene, right? Simply click this, simply apply. Then go to and go into size 50. Now it's see automatically it will be changed, right? So too long 500. I simply click 10 meter, right? Enter. See this automatically it will be changed, right? So woods, I need some others woods, directly click this, directly apply on your material, right? Directly apply on your material. Wall paints and vapors, this type of wall paints. See this some types of vapors is there, right? Some designs, click this add to scene. This type of vapors, simply click this, simply click this, apply on this, right? Simply click this, apply on this. This is too smaller, right? This is the two smaller distance. How to increase means directly go to paint, then go to 10. Now it's a small, is a automatically it will be changed, like it will be simply click this wall paints in V-Ray. So many of us there, right? You will see this color is one is there. Simply add to scene, right? This design. I click this, directly apply. Then go to paint aspect ratio 10. Enter. Now it's see automatically it will be changed, right? In V-Ray material, right? Simply click this, anyone you need, directly click this, add to scene, simply apply. for the inconvenience. Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Sorry for the inconvenience. Now itself I directly click this, apply on this wall, right? Click this, directly apply on this wall. Then how to edit means directly go to edit command. Then you give 10 by 10, right? It will be automatically, it will be edited, right? Wall paintings or other etc, right? I simply go to any wall colors, right? Simply go to wall colors, click this, add to surface, right? Add to surface, click this and directly apply on your wall surface, right? Automatically directly apply on your any wall surface in wall color, right? Now it's automatically apply any material in our SketchUp survey, right? So various different types of this type of materials, bricks, roof tiles is so many of there, right? Then other one is a tiles, right? This is so many of this type of tiles. I give this, I change this various tiles. I simply go V-Ray tiles, right? I simply select this, add to scene, automatically comes, right? Automatically it will becomes. Simply select this, simply apply, right? Then how to edit means directly go to paint, the option, right? 10 meter, 10 by 10, right? Enter. Now it's see, automatically it will be edited, right? Automatically it will be edited. Is a stone is there, right? Simply so many of the stones is there, right? This type of stones and this type of stones is, I simply select any one stone, add to scene, I select this, directly apply. How to edit means directly go this 10 meter, right? Enter. Now it's see, automatically it's large means directly go to 20, enter, right? Enter. Now it's see, automatically the V-Ray materials the clarity, right? So 20, next I'm going to 50, right? Enter. 50, sorry, 50 means 5 P2, right? Now it's see, automatically it's come from, right? This is too large. I'm going to 30. Enter, right? Now it's see, automatically it's created like a V-Ray materials, right? It's from clarity. You'll know it's see, automatically go to anyone, you directly select it, directly apply on your materials, right? Stones, tiles, anyone wood, lamination, other, right? Next one is a paper you use for books, other any components, right? The next one is a metal. The metal is used for exterior purpose, right? I tell about the exterior purpose also. The metal color is used for exterior purpose also, right? Exterior purpose used for any metals. You go to gold carat, 24 carat, 14 carat, 10 carat. You go to any gold, any silver paints. You're directly going to apply on your exterior portion on grills or any portions, right? Next of all, liquid. Liquid is a water surface. So many water surface is there, right? So many water surface is there. So many water, any water surface it will be used, right? Next one is a leather for interior surface. You download any sofas, any kitchens, you will be use it. Next one is a ground. You for hilly terrain use it, same as a ground like gravel. This type of gravels is there in V-Ray also. Next one is a glass, already seen. Foam, fabric, MSU, concrete as a same as like that bricks are. These are clarity materials. Directly you click this on this material, click this any one material, directly to this, click this, add to scene, directly apply on your screen, right? It's automatically, it's from clear view, right? Directly apply from clear view. It's right. And something I edit this some statue, right? Simply go to paint, I click this, right? Select, I click this. Click this, right? Same automatically this image would from right. I'm going to it's increase it. Automatically it's from shining is means I'm going to reflection. Automatically reflector color, right? Something I edit it or gloss it or anyone, right? Automatically I edit it or anyone, right? In this image, right? Now it's see. Use it any color. MSU means MSU, concrete or anyone. You directly select this, add to scene, directly apply on your materials. And the top also, I need some wood and laminates. I need this type of flooring woods. Click this add to scene, right? Simply add to scene. Select this top apply, right? Now it's see automatically it will be apply, right? Automatically it will be applied. This is a good method for creating the beginners for V-Ray, right? Simply go to materials, you select this material, right? Select this material, you need any wood need wood and wall paints or any other, directly go to select it. Then go to this one, you need anyone, directly select this, add to scene. Add to scene, automatically it will be created. Select this, directly apply on your surface, right? Automatically it will be created. This is a V-Ray material for main, right? This is a V-Ray material for creating our buildings, right? V-Ray materials. Okay, now itself it's automatically created, right? V-Ray materials. Next I, sorry, yeah, fine. Now it's automatically it will create it, right? Okay, this is, I will be give some paintings for V-Ray materials, SketchUp, right? Then how to render this element, right? I simply, V-Ray is nothing but you go to V-Ray, so many as that the beginner is directly go to V-Ray, go to material, go to material, select this any color, right? Directly select this any color, go to add surface, click this, add to scene, directly click this, directly apply on this material, right? Then how to render this element, right? How to render this hall? How to render this hall? First of all, the materials are given in this hall, right? The materials are all of us are given in this hall. Then go to settings, right? Setting is the main one. Then go to settings, right? I simply change only 4 settings, right? And so many of the settings is there. I simply change 4 settings only, right? 4 settings only. First one is a engine, right? First one is a engine. Engine is a CPU, CDPU, RTX, right? It's depend upon the graphics card. CPU is a low graphics card, CDU is a high, the RTX is a high, very high graphics card, right? I am only CPU, right? I have small graphics card, I fix the small graphics. Then go to next one is a quality, medium, high, or I very high, I fix very high, right? First one is a engine, second one is a quality, right? Next one is a update effect. Update effect you pick at the end, right? Next one is a denser. Denser is a additional effect for rendering, right? The I click this. What is two means NVD AI and V-Ray. What is different between AI and V-Ray means V-Ray render, additional render is a inbuilt in software. The NVDA is your graphics card, right? Depend upon your graphics card. Your graphics card is low means you directly give V-Ray. Your graphics card high means you give AA, right? I click V-Ray only, right? V-Ray only. First option I directly go to engine, CPU. Second option is quality, I will high. Third option is a denser is V-Ray, right? I simply change only 4 options, right? 4 options, then go to render with V-Ray, right? Click this, render with V-Ray. Another one I tell, 2 types of render is in the intersect. One is the sunshine, sun shadows, another one is a lighting, right? One is a sun shadow, another one is a lighting. Okay, now it say I do not give the lights, right? There is a sun shadow. Sun shadow is comes from building, so it's from some shadows is there, right? How to increase the sun reflection, right? The rendering is take 2 or 3 hours, right? V-Ray rendering it's take 2 or 3 hours. 2 or 3 hours, right? Rendering is take 2 or 3 hours. And just I stopped. How to increase the sunshines, right? How to increase the sunshine means I stop that, right? Close it the this folder, right? How to increase the sunshine, sun shadows means go to lights, right? Go to lights, second option, go to lights, go to sunlights, right? Go to sunlight. Do not change that. Just simply go to intensity multiplier, right? Intensity multiplier. You put the value 1. I put 10, right? I simply enter 10. How to increase the sun intensity? Simply go to lights, then go to sunlight, then go to intensity multiplier, right? Intensity multiplier is a 10, right? Intensity multiplier is a 10, and then I put the render, right? Now it's the difference between first pick and second pick, right? The first pick is this, now itself rendering in second pick, right? Now it's see the increase the sun intensity, it automatically it's a view from right. It's something increase in this light, right? Now it's see automatically it will be increased, right? Okay, fine. 10 means now it's going to 5 lakhs or any lakhs. I'm going to light sunlight. I am going to change 1000, right? 1000. Now I'm going to render with V-Ray, right? This is a 10. Now itself I give 1000, right? Now it's see. Automatically shining will come, right? The sun side also I change the intensity. Automatically your room will be change the intensity also, right? You see this the view. This is one method. Using the sun intensity, you take the interior view. Another one is a light setting. You see this. You go to 1 lakh or 5 lakh, it will give you a good image, exterior image for your V-Ray, right? Now this is rendering in V-Ray. It takes, if you good model means it take 2 or 3 hours. It will take, right? Now it's see, automatically come from one clarity, right? Automatically it's come from one clarity. Now it's automatically our V-Ray materials. These are all V-Ray material. Look like a clarity, right? This is our window. It's a shining is there, right? In our window, V-Ray materials. So this portion, it will be right. See this. I simply stop that, close it, and go to another one option setting. Effect is high at the end, right? I'm going to update effect at the end. I change it very often. Very often, then go to render, right? See, some different is there nothing, but you get to 2 or 3 hours it from the original clarity of your image, right? Original clarity. You see this clarity for this. It come from 2 or 3 hours. You will take original image. This is a V-Ray. You simply go to V-Ray, click this your material, and directly go to V-Ray material. Directly click this add to pay, apply on your material. Then go to settings, V-Ray settings. Just only 5 settings will be given. The 5 settings only given. Directly go to render. It comes from clarity of the image, right? You see this clarity of this image. Take clarity of this image. How many percentages will going on means simply go to this dialog box, right? This is a dialog box. Simply click this dialog box, right? Simply click this dialog box. It's going on rendering. Simply click this rendering box. It will be time to now it says time will be taken, right? So now only 0%. As I said 0%, you go to 100%, it render will be completed. It's take a time to so many hours. You see the surface, right? Shining and other surface also, right? You'll be give the V-Ray material, so many different will be comes, right? You'll be see the shinings of this floor, right? This is photos, right? Because photos, any other. You will see the cupboard designs, other designs come real, right? It will be clarity, will finish. It will high clarity, but it taken the so many times. It will be 2 or 3 hours. It will be take the good clarity, right? Now it's say take a go to often. It be some clarity is there, right? It's the cupboard clarity. The clarity comes from only direct on our sunlight only, right? Not lights is come from directly on sunlight. I increase the sun intensity. It's come this type of real image. Let's see. You see this portion, and this portion also. This Buddha statue is directly on this your windows, right? See this your windows and the window glasses and other frames, right? Yeah. Now it will come from one go to 3 or 4 hours, it'll get the one realistic image. Now only is 0%, it's come from some difference, right? Your normal I going to simply V-Ray, I simply give the V-Ray effects paints and simply go to settings and simply render. Now it's see automatically it's some like some images, right? Rendering images. See, is the rendering image come from directly on a sunlight only, not a internal interior lights. It's come from only sunsets. First of all, sun intensity one. I reduce the 100 and 1000 above. It's come from directly on sunset. It will be rendering. The most of a sunset rendering is a correct one. It's come from good clarity, right? Now it's see. It's only 0% is rendering, but it come like good quality, right? Good quality. Go to 3 or 2 hour. It come from perfect name. But now itself it's come zero only, right? Zero only. You go to 100 means you take a 2 or 3 hours, right? 2 or 3 hours, okay. Then I close that, right? How to take this image file means directly close this. save current channel. But you give this save, which process going on, that process only take the picture, right? Save the current channel. Click the save the current channel. Directly save the any file. Going to desktop, any file, any name, any file. It will be save your desktop, right? Images file, right? You see this on materials, right? So okay, I simply close this material, right? I get more time, 2 or 3 hours will be taken, right? Okay, this rendering only directly by sunlights, right? I stop this, right? I directly go to suns. The intensity is 1,000. You go to 10,000, 1 lakh means you come from good clarity, right? I simply take the sun only to create this interior, right? You see this clarity of SketchUp view and V-Ray view. It's from good clarity, right? This is our glass panels. Glass, original glass is reflected as in V-Ray, right? Next one, okay, fine. First step I rendering with sunlight. Next one I rendering with lights, right? First of all, I sun go to sun intensity, I become zero. Sun intensity becomes zero. It come from night, right? Okay, I how to set the lights, right? How to set the lights? I simply go to top view, right? I put the top view of the portion, right? This is the top view. I'm going to top view of the portion. How to set the lights means simply go to wind extension, right? Extension, go to V-Ray, go to V-Ray lights. The V-Ray, sorry, V-Ray lights, right? So many lights are there. V-Ray lights, you go to V-Ray lights. Simply go to, I tell about one light first. Okay, other light are same like Omni and Dome lights or other etc. I simply tell about rectangular light, right? I simply go to V-Ray, go to V-Ray lights, rectangular. Simply click this rectangular light. Simply click this rectangular light. Simply go to drag this rectangular shape. Now it's see automatically lights will be formed, right? Lights will be formed. You need the same as a dining. You will be see the dining means simply go to this portion to this portion. Simply drag this as dining portion also, right? Simply go to extension V-Ray, go to V-Ray light, sorry, V-Ray lights, go to rectangular line. Directly click this rectangular, directly apply on anywhere in your roofs, right? Simply go to extension V-Ray, V-Ray lights, rectangular lights. Directly click this, directly apply on your light, right? Apply on your, sorry, right, apply. This is also not only for roofs, so it apply on walls also, right? This apply on wall sides also. Let's say I draw this wall, right? See, I draw this wall also, like lights. Now itself, see, it's automatically it will be created some rectangular lights and other lights. Now itself, sorry, now itself sun comes zero, right? Now itself the sun comes zero, right? Fine. Now itself the sun comes from zero. I set some rectangular lights, right? I set some rectangular lights. I said some this rectangular light is there, this rectangular light is there, but sun rays is zero, right? I simply go to extension V-Ray assist editor, right? Directly go to render with V-Ray. Simply go to this is with the sunlight, right? This portion is a sunlight. This portion is a lighting, right? You see this lighting. But the light intensity is too low, right? The light intensity is too low. How to increase the light intensity, right? This light is there, but light intensity is too low. How to increase the light intensity? You see this window. Now it's a window will be dark light. Its sun intensity will be zero. It's go to night mode, right? Someone asked how to get the night mode. You reduce the sun intensity is zero, automatically it's go to night mode, right? Okay, there's now the light mode is I give more intensity of these lights, right? Simply go to stop, I close it, then go to lights. Automatically come from lights, right? Light one, light two, light three lights are there. Simply click the light. This intensity is 30, right? I give 3000, right? Same. This also I give 3000 to 5 lakhs anywhere. Same other light. All lights are I give 3000, right? Now itself directly go to render. This is the first 1030 is the 30 intensity. This is I give 3000 intensity. Now we'll see the difference of this intensity. See, see the intensity 30 and 3000 intensity. Now it's come good clarity, right? Now it's come good clarity of the image, right? It's also taken 2 to 3 hours. Also, simply go to V-Ray, right? Go to 100%. You will become good clarities. Yeah, simply see this. Okay, next of all, I directly go to rectangular lines. I will be draw directly the rectangular right is there. So okay, I need the light shadows, but I do not need light this side of shades. Okay, how to invisible this shadows, right? Simply go to stop, close it, right, and then go to rectangular one, right? Rectangular one. First one is a color. You change the any color, right? You go to click the color. You change the any color, red, yellow, or any color. You will be directly selected. Your light will be automatically change the color. You see that the light will be automatically. It will be change the color also. That is the intensity. Automatically told intensity. This is the increase or decrease your light size. The this one is the you change the color for the light. The intensity is you change the color or anyone in your intensity, right? Change the intensity. Intensity you need extra means you go to extra intensity of your light. And another one is a directity. Directity is shadow. You see this shadow, automatically shadows come from downward only, right? It's automatically increase or decrease your shadows. Then go to options. Options is the light forming is the right. I simply go to options. I invisible this, click this. You see this automatically no light is there, but light shadows are there, right? You invisible the lights means you go to directly invisible, click this, right? Automatically invisible this lights, right? Now itself go to render, right? Render. See this difference. First light and second light. You see this light color, right? The light color is there, right? Light color is changed, right? And the shadows are there. This is a no light is there, right? No light, the shadows are directly it come from your ground surface, right? Now it's a how to edit the rectangular lights or other lights, right? Now it's a directly see this, right? I change the color on white, right? Now it's see automatic. The direct liberates is separate into all surface, right? All surface. Now go to render, right? Now go to render. Now it's see automatically the button before itself the light is there, but it's no light is there, right? This question I give invisible. No light is there, but some shadows is there, right? Shadows apply on whole surface. It's a one realistic image. You give 2 or 3 hours, it make a one realistic image for your interior image for using V-Ray material. See that. See this is screens and other etc. Windows and the panels also. It's a wooden works, the woodwork clarity and this type of woodwork clarity and this type of tiles and statues or any other one. It's come from good clarity, right? Using this intensity and directity of your sun's right shadows. Next of all, the spotlight is not mentioned. The spotlight is there, but it's not visible, right? How to get this visible in the spotlight? Simply go to V-Ray Assist Editor, right? Assist Editor, simply go to this slide. Sorry, simply go to Create. Go to select the MSU. MSU, select the MSU. Go to Add Scene, right? Go to Add Scene. Reduce the intensity of MSU. Less amount 0.2, right? Simply select this paint, right? Simply sorry. Simply select this. Simply apply. You see this automatically. It will be simply apply on this material, right? Simply apply on this material. Okay. MSU apply on this material. Now we'll see and directly go to extension V-Ray Assist Editor render, right? Now go to the light is there also, some spotlight is there, right? Going to click the MSU, it's automatically it will be see, right? Let's see. Automatically some created some lights, right? The spotlight, I create MSU, the spotlight is come from right. Automatically it's created a spotlights. Simply go to create the circular and then go to create MSU, directly click the MSU, apply on your spotlights. It's visible, right? The spotlights are visible. Right now it's a rectangular, right? The spotlights are visible. This type of lights directly apply in a rectangular, side lights only. You see this side lights only, right? Now it's see automatically it's visible in your spotlights and other lights. This is the main thing for rendering your interior portion, right? Rendering your interior portion. Directly go to extension, V-Ray, assist editor. You go to directly give this color, then go to settings. You change the settings directly, render with two elements, right? One is a rectangular light, other one is a sunlight. You directly render your elements in interior portions, right? Directly go to image will be taken, right? Now understand how to take the render. Easy. Directly go to V-Ray, give the V-Ray material and directly give the sun sides and sun shadows or light shadows. Automatically it will be taken, right? Next up one, next it completed interior, right? Same as the interior. Next one exterior, right? Same as exterior. Simply this is the right, simply exterior, right? And directly go to extension V-Ray assist editor, directly render, right? But it's come from night mode, so sorry, the sun is 0. Sorry, it's come from night mode. I stop that, close. I'm going to sunlight is I give from 10, right? Now itself I'm going to render. But this exterior portion is a without V-Ray. I do not give the any V-Ray material. It's directly render with SketchUp materials, right? SketchUp materials. You see this. This is so this sun is high, right? Simply go to sunlight. You go to 1, right? Now it shall go to render this element. 10 is a too large. The interior portion you go to 10,000 or any, no problem. You go to exterior means simply go to take a 1. It is enough. Now it's see. This only for not a V-Ray material. This only for SketchUp material. Its clarity comes from right. Now it's see automatically is a V-Ray material. The clarity comes right. This portion and this portion, right? Automatically this V-Ray portion, its clarity comes right. Okay, I tell you one difference. This is a SketchUp glass. Directly stop that, close it, and then go to assist editor, V-Ray, assist editor, right? Then go to glass, right? Then go to glass. Select the any one glass, glass crystal, add to scene, right? Add to scene. Click this glass, right? Directly apply. See this difference. V-Ray glass and normal glass. Before you give the V-Ray glass, this is a normal glass. This is a grill is there, right? How to grill? Simply go to metal, right? Simply go to metal. I need a gold. Simply click this gold, add to scene, right? Simply click this, directly apply. Now it's see, directly apply, right? Directly, this portion is there, right? Directly apply. So another color, this is some metal glass, right? Click this metal glass, directly click this, directly apply. The different from other materials and V-Ray materials also. It from good clarity, right? There's something blue tinned materials. Select this and apply on the this portion, right? Now it's see automatically it's created the V-Ray materials. The V-Ray glasses also you see. This is SketchUp glass. This is a V-Ray glass. It's some differences there, right? V-Ray and SketchUp. I give some materials and also color also changeable, right? I simply go to wood or anyone, right? Simply go to wood, right? I simply go to any wood, directly select this, right? Select this, add. Simply go to select this wood, then go to apply. Now it's see automatically it will be apply, right? Wood, this portion and this portion. Then go to paint, then go to paint. I need line by line. Then go to edit 2.5 meter, right? I need 10. enter, right? Fill me small line by line. I am going to 100, enter, right? Now it's see line by line. Then I am going to 300, 300. Now it's see automatically line by line it will be formed, right? Same like a line by line, it will be same like it will be formed, right? Wooden, original wooden in B-ray material, right? If you change another material, you will be change any material, right? Directly go to assist editor, go to V-ray, go to another material, right? Various something designs are this type of stones. Stones is there, different types of stones. Simply close this types of stones. Directly click this add to surface, right? Simply click this, apply on this, right? Then go to edit, changes 100. Sorry, 1000. Yeah, it will be 1000. It will be high, right? Now it's see automatically it will be changed, right? Automatically it will change. You change any material, directly select it and give your building. Now it's see it will be fixed, right? Then go to extension V-Ray assist editor render. That is a before V-Ray material. Some given V-Ray now itself some given V-Ray material. You see this glasses different between SketchUp glass and V-Ray glasses, and this type of wooden wire, this V-Ray glasses, this type of stones and others, etc. Right? You see this clarity for V-Ray material and your SketchUp material. You see this type of wood glass, golden. This it is also taking 3 to 4 hours. It will be taken in the material also, right? Now it's see this clarity. This is a SketchUp glass. This is a V-Ray glass. This is a glass. This is a golden lines, right? This is steel also, right? Steel also. It's a rendering. It's taken 2 to 3 hours. It will be taken. This is a rendering for our interior or exterior images, right? Now understand how to create a one interior image in V-Ray, one exterior image in V-Ray, right? Simply go to click this, go to extension V-Ray associated, directly select this any material you need. Directly go to landscape. There's a trees is there, something grass. Simply go to ground like that, right? This grass, select this grass, add to scene. Select this, simply click this, simply apply. Automatically the grass will be changed. You go any material, directly it will be changed like that. Simply you go extension V-Ray, edit this material, right? You go to 3 or 4 hours, it will give the original clarity, right? It's the clarity. Same as the save, go to save current channel, it will be changed the say go to current channel, it will be save the your image file also, right? Now it's see automatically it's from one clarity, right? Your images 2 or 3 hours sit from original clarity. Right now itself how to take the image files, how to convert the videos, right? Simply go, I create a scenes, right? Scene 1, scene 9, scene 10, scene 11, scene 12 is the right. How to convert the videos means simply go to file, right? Simply go to file, go to export, go to animation, right? Animation, animation, go to desktop. I save one name, any name you will be saving desktop, right? Export, simply give the export, right? All scenes come from one video, easily exporting, right? The video is exporting, all scenes come from one video, it will be automatically exporting. Yeah, the video is exporting, the time to be taken, so many scenes are there, it will be video will be taken. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, it's 100%. It will be converted as a video. This is the main part of sketch where you create a model, you go to V-Ray, simply go to V-Ray materials, you create the one exterior images and one interior images also, right? Go to light settings or sun settings anywhere, directly catch the images also, right? And then video is converted, directly go to export animation, so automatically it's converted into as a video, right? It's only 10% is there, it's converting as a video, right? Yeah. Now itself converted as a video in my desktop, right? This is my desktop. I saved this video on this name, right? I simply open this video, right? I simply open this my video. Simply see this video, right? You see this full scene, it come from one video. How to edit the animations in this type of video, I will tell about how to edit this type of videos and others, etc. You see this rooms, two rooms, walkthroughs, anywhere you will be create this, which is kitchens, dinings, etc. Right? The bedroom, others, etc. Right. Now itself the video will be created. Then go to directly how to edit the video timings. Directly go to window, go to model info, go to animations, right? Animation, directly edit this page, your window time and other etc. Right. This method is used to take a window export from Sketchup software, right? How to image directly. Another option directly image the Sketchup model. Directly go to print screen option, right? I need this image. I do not need V-Ray. Directly need this image means directly go to print screen in your option. Right, directly go to print screen. Directly take the printout. Right, no problem. You directly go to V-Ray means go to take the that option. That video means directly go to view animation. You go to take the video of this animation. Right, that is basic things of V-Ray 5 days classes. Right, I complete this section for V-Ray in 5 days classes. First day we will see the plans and some things, estimation, how to calculate the estimation, and the second also is the one elevation, right? Third day will be colored and other etc. And the fourth day will create a one interior elevation, and the fifth day we will go to for V-Ray, how to give the colors, how to render the elements, and how to create the one video, how to create the one images. Is there, right? This is the basic thing for V-Ray for creating setup, for creating a one model and rendering with the V-Ray. The rendering softwares are so many softwares are there. Main thing V-Ray is okay. Another one is a twin motion Lumion. Lumion is needed high graphics, right? There's so many softwares are needed. Okay, you choose any software, you will go. I choose for V-Ray. The V-Ray trial pack is there. You will use it on 30 days trial packs, right? Now we'll see. Okay, I complete this section now.
Okay, sir. We completed all questions. So I move to vote of thanks. I give my sincere thanks to our chairman, sir, Mr. Cletus Babu, and our principal, sir, Mr. George Clinton, for giving this opportunity to make this workshop. And also, I thank to my college management. Next, I thank my department HOD, Mr. Vimalan, sir, who has made this workshop a grand success through his motivation and dedication. On my behalf, I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the guest speaker, Mr. Udaya Sankar, sir, who spared time from his busy schedule to grace the occasion. I thank you once again for your nice and interesting presentation. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
And I
man.
thank you, Mr. Paramasivan, sir, who introduced our speaker to arrange this workshop. Finally, I would thank all participants. You all are made this workshop more interesting, and I hope you all learned about Google SketchUp from this workshop and enjoyed participating in it. Thank you again, all of you, and hope to see you in future events. Thank you to all for your cooperation and supporting. Thanks to all once again.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your coordination and your patience for the 5 days, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for all participants also.
I'm also thanks for your college management, sir, principal, sir, and HOD, sirs. Thank you for all participants.
Yeah,
And
thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
participants are also.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir, we will wind up our session.
Sir,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks.